The Deaf Bonce Machete 12 subwoofer delivers very strong, low-frequency output with a peak power rating that easily handles demanding bass-heavy music. Its substantial continuous power handling pairs well with the dual voice coil design, giving installers flexibility to wire for different amplifier setups without sacrificing control. The paper cone and foam surround combination offers a pleasing balance of stiffness and responsiveness, so bass notes sound tight rather than muddy. A large ferrite magnet and robust 3-inch voice coil help this subwoofer stay composed during long, loud listening sessions with minimal signs of thermal stress. The steel frame and overall build feel solid and durable, inspiring confidence for use in daily driven vehicles that see real-world vibration and temperature changes. Despite its considerable performance potential, the mounting depth and cutout size remain manageable, making it easier to fit into a wide range of custom and prefabricated enclosures.